Have you ever pondered the grandest narrative imaginable? Not just a story of heroes and villains, but the epic saga of existence itself, winding down to its final, silent chapter? Today, we're not just exploring a scientific concept. We're diving into the ultimate storytelling challenge: how to visualize, explain, and truly feel the heat-death of the universe. This isn't just astrophysics. It's a masterclass in conveying profound ideas, a journey every content creator can learn from. Imagine a universe reaching its final moments, a cosmic ballet winding down to a halt. What would it look like to witness the heat death of the universe? For content creators, this question isn't just scientific. It's a prompt for unparalleled visual and narrative storytelling. How do you capture the essence of an ending so vast, so absolute, that it dwarfs all human experience? In this exploration, we will traverse the vast expanses of time and space, contemplating a future where all stars have burned out, galaxies drift apart, and the cold embrace of entropy takes hold. This isn't merely a theoretical exercise. It's an opportunity to push the boundaries of your creative expression, to translate complex scientific principles into compelling, accessible content. Think about the visual metaphors, the soundscapes, and the narrative arcs you could construct around such a monumental concept. Picture a time trillions of years from now, far beyond the distant horizon of today. Stars, once brilliant beacons in the dark, have flickered out one by one, their nuclear furnaces finally exhausted. For a content creator, this is a powerful image, the slow, inevitable dimming of the cosmic stage. How would you illustrate this gradual descent into darkness, conveying both its beauty and its profound sadness? The once vibrant Milky Way is now a shadow of its former self, containing only the faintest remnants of stellar energy. Imagine trying to convey this scale of time and transformation to your audience. It requires not just scientific accuracy, but a deep understanding of pacing, emotional resonance, and the art of making the incomprehensible relatable. What visual effects or narrative techniques would you employ to show a galaxy fading into oblivion? The remnants of humanity, if they exist at all, would have morphed into something entirely different, perhaps a conscious cloud of particles drifting through the dark. This speculative leap offers incredible creative freedom. How do you depict consciousness without a physical form? What kind of stories would these ethereal beings tell, having witnessed the universe's long decline? This is where science fiction meets scientific fact, providing fertile ground for imaginative content. The universe, once teeming with life and energy, has become an ever-expanding void. This concept, known as entropy, is central to understanding the heat death. For creators, explaining entropy in an engaging way is a challenge, but also an opportunity to simplify complex physics into digestible, impactful content. How do you make the abstract concept of increasing disorder visually compelling? As galaxies recede from one another, propelled by the mysterious force of dark energy, the cosmic fabric stretches, cooling the remnants of once thriving worlds to near absolute zero. This chilling perspective gives rise to a haunting idea. What does existence mean in a universe where heat and energy are but distant memories, sapped away by the relentless march of time? This question is a narrative goldmine, inviting philosophical reflection that resonates deeply with an audience. Consider the implications of this ultimate cooling. The cosmic microwave background radiation, the faint echo of the Big Bang, would stretch and cool until it's virtually undetectable. This isn't just a scientific detail. It's a poignant symbol of the universe forgetting its own beginning. How would you convey this sense of cosmic amnesia, the fading memory of creation, through your content? The expansion itself plays a crucial role. As space stretches, the distance between any two unbound objects grows, eventually isolating even the most massive structures. This means that even if pockets of energy or matter persisted, they would be so far apart that no interaction could ever occur. It's a universe of ultimate loneliness, a powerful theme for any storyteller. Envision the scene. There are no vibrant colors, no sounds of bustling life. Instead, it is a place of eerie silence, punctuated only by the slow decay of matter. For a video creator, this is a challenge to the senses. How do you create compelling visuals and audio for a scenario defined by their absence? This requires innovative sound design and minimalist yet powerful imagery. Black holes, the enigmatic giants of the cosmos, continue to exist, but their activity wanes. Even these cosmic behemoths are not eternal. Through a process called Hawking radiation, they slowly evaporate over unfathomably long timescales, eventually disappearing into nothingness. This detail adds another layer to the narrative of ultimate decay, showing that even the most powerful forces eventually succumb. The last stars that once formed and ignited are now long extinguished, consuming the final threads of their own existence, devoid of any further nuclear reactions. This marks the end of the stelliferous era, the period when stars light up the universe. Imagine the visual impact of showing the last star winking out, a final solitary gasp of light in an otherwise eternal night. It's a moment that demands powerful, evocative imagery. Even protons, the building blocks of atomic nuclei, are theorized to eventually decay, though this process would take an almost unimaginable amount of time, far longer than the current age of the universe. This means that eventually all matter as we know it would cease to exist, leaving behind only a dilute soup of fundamental particles and radiation. This level of decay is almost impossible to grasp, making it a fascinating subject for content that aims to stretch the audience's imagination. Yet amidst this profound desolation, there lie lessons about growth, change, and the ultimate fate of all things. The heat death is a testament to the life cycle of the universe, a reminder of the impermanence that governs reality. For content creators, this is where the scientific narrative transcends into profound philosophical insight. How do you pivot from scientific explanation to existential reflection, making your content truly impactful? As elements are torn asunder and molecules break apart, one can ponder the incredible journey that brought us to this point: the birth of stars, the creation of planets, and the emergence of consciousness. This perspective allows you to frame the heat death not just as an end, but as the culmination of an extraordinary cosmic journey. It's about appreciating the fleeting vibrancy of the present against the backdrop of an eternal future. This cosmic perspective offers a unique lens through which to view our own creative endeavors. Just as the universe undergoes cycles of creation and decay, so too do ideas, trends, and even entire platforms. Understanding this impermanence can free creators from the pressure of eternal relevance, allowing them to focus on the quality and impact of their current work. What stories are you telling today that will resonate, even if only for a moment, in the grand scheme? As we delve deeper, consider how this future reflects our present. Even now, we foster an understanding of impermanence in our lives. We forge connections, create art, and strive for significance, all while knowing that everything is destined to change. This human experience of impermanence is a powerful bridge to the cosmic scale. How can your content connect these vast, abstract ideas to the very personal experiences of your audience? The cosmos offers a perspective that can humble us and elevate our understanding of existence. For content creators, this humility can be a powerful tool. It encourages us to create content that is not just entertaining or informative, but also thought-provoking and meaningful. It reminds us that our work, however small, contributes to the ongoing narrative of human understanding and wonder. Think about the legacy of your content. While the universe may eventually fade, the ideas, emotions, and connections you foster through your work can ripple outwards, influencing others in ways you might never fully comprehend. This is the true power of creation, to leave an imprint, however temporary, on the vast canvas of existence. What kind of imprint do you want to leave? This exploration of the heat death isn't just about the end, it's about appreciating the now. It's about understanding the preciousness of the stelliferous era we currently inhabit, where stars still shine and life is possible. For creators, this translates into a call to action, to use this vibrant present to create, to share, and to inspire before the cosmic lights dim forever. Returning to the cold and dark future, we can imagine the remnants of humanity, should they persist within this desolate expanse. Perhaps they have evolved into a form of existence that transcends matter, navigating the universe as pure thought or digital consciousness, ever seeking understanding amidst the cosmic hierarchy of bygone stars. This is where the scientific speculation becomes a canvas for incredible storytelling. How would such beings perceive the universe? What would their content look like? Would they still tell stories? Or would their existence be a continuous, evolving stream of data and pure information? This thought experiment challenges us to think beyond our current modes of communication and creation, pushing the boundaries of what content can be. Every atom in your body was forged in the heart of a star, and as the universe fades into darkness, those very atoms will continue their journey through eternity. They will become the building blocks of new forms, floating through the vast emptiness, perhaps to one day coalesce again into new cosmic wonders. This cyclical view offers a glimmer of hope, a sense of continuity even in ultimate dissolution. It's a powerful narrative thread that connects us directly to the cosmic story. This concept of atomic recycling is a profound one. It means that even in the most desolate future, the fundamental components of what we are will persist, albeit in a vastly different form. For creators, this is a reminder that even when a project ends, the skills, knowledge, and passion invested in it don't disappear. They transform and contribute to future endeavors. In this great tapestry of existence, the heat death of the universe may seem like an end. Yet, it is also a point of transformation, where ideas, energy, and existence ripple across the fabric of reality, weaving a story that will forever echo through the sands of time. For content creators, this is the ultimate validation that our efforts, our stories, and our shared understanding contribute to this grand unfolding narrative. So, as we envision this final journey, let us appreciate our current vibrance, understanding that every moment counts in the sprawling abyss of infinity. The wonders of existence may fade, but the essence of experience will remain a part of the universe, a part of us, forever interconnected within the cosmic narrative. This is the message we, as creators, can carry forward: to celebrate the present, to explore the unknown, and to share our unique perspectives with the world. Now, taking a moment to step back from this cosmic narrative, consider subscribing to our channel. Engaging with our content helps us bring more thought-provoking explorations to your screen, empowering you to create your own impactful stories. We believe that understanding these grand cosmic tales not only enriches your knowledge but also fuels your creative spirit, providing endless inspiration for your next video, podcast, or blog post. Together, we can embark on this journey through the mysteries of the universe, transforming complex science into compelling narratives that captivate and educate. Don't forget to enable all notifications, ensuring you never miss an exploration into the wonders of the cosmos and the incredible creative opportunities they present for you, the content creator.